This Rubik's Cube needs to be solved. Okay, but I know what to do. I'll use the tutorial.
If you look up the word frustration in the dictionary, you'll probably see a picture of a Rubik's Cube. It takes some bright minds only 5 seconds to solve, yet others spend years trying to put it together, eventually giving up. But what if I told you anyone can solve the Rubik's Cube with one single algorithm? I tested it myself, and it's really simple. Check it out. Okay, for starters, let's see what a 3x3 cube consists of. It has 3 main parts: center, edge, and corner. To understand how these algorithms work, you have to learn the Rubik's Cube lingo. All moves are written down in letters that stand for one 90-degree cube rotation. R, right, L, left, U, up, D, down, F, front, and B, back. An apostrophe means that the layer should move counterclockwise by 90 degrees. No apostrophe means it goes 90 degrees clockwise. When there's a number next to the letter, it stands for the number of turns you should make. In the algorithm I'll be showing you today, you'll only work with the ones in this yellow zone. You can now pause the video and practice the rotations. So here's the main algorithm.
Oh, okay.
For your right hand, it'll be R. It's a good idea to pause the video and practice until you can L apostrophe U apostrophe L U. And again, it's a good idea to pause the video and practice until you can do all these moves pretty much automatically. It'll help you later. You can. L apostrophe U apostrophe L, where you'll use that R apostrophe.
Why does it keep glitching?
It. R apostrophe U apostrophe. It's the exact opposite for your left hand. L apostrophe U apostrophe L U. And again, L apostrophe U apostrophe L U. Let's see what that looks like in real life. Right hand, R U.
No!
R apostrophe. It's a good idea to pause the video and practice until you can do all these moves pretty much automatically. It'll help you later on. Okay, so you'll go through 7 stages in today's algorithm. Number 1, white cross on the bottom. Number 2, the bottom corners. Number 3, the middle layer. Number 4, the yellow cross. Number 5, the top layer.
What did I
Number
miss?
6, the top corners. Number 7, the final goal. Number 1, solve the white cross on the bottom.
This is hard!
The task here is to put together a white cross and align its edges with the right colored center on each side. Here, I'll mix it all up first. Now, let's get started. To begin with, you have to put together this sequence that looks kind of like a daisy. It's really easy and doesn't require any special algorithms. Try it yourself. Then rotate the top layer with the daisy on it, align the right colors of the layers with the color of the center, and rotate this layer 180 degrees. Do the same thing with the remaining whites.
No.
And this is how you get a white cross at the bottom. Number 2, solve the 4 corner pieces on the bottom. At this stage, you'll have to put the lower corners of the cube in the right places, and the white side of the cube will be solved. Here's where you'll use that R apostrophe U apostrophe algorithm for your right hand. Rotate only the top layer of the cube to find a corner that's the same color as the centers of the other sides, and use the algorithm until the corner is in the right place.
Oh no, this is gonna be hard. Yeah, corner.
Do the same with the rest of the corners. At the end of this stage, you should have little upside-down T's on all sides, ending at the centerpiece. Number 3, solve the 4 edge pieces in the middle layer. At this stage,
There we go.
At the end of this stage, you should have little upside-down T's on all sides, ending at the centerpiece. Number 3, solve the 4 edge pieces in the middle layer. At this stage, you'll need to solve the rest of the middle layer so that the outer blocks are the same color as the center. In the first case, the layer you'll be working on is to the left on the top of the target position. You must match it with the right color. Here's how you can do it. Turn the upper part to the left. Use the algorithm for the right hand. Rotate the cube left. Use the algorithm for the left hand. In the second case, the layer you'll be working on is to the right of the top of the target position. You must match it with...
I don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube! This is hard!